In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to use Quizlet, a digital flashcard tool to practice vocabulary. I have been using this tool for last few years with my students to help them recall the vocabularies, practice them, practice the spelling, and so on. And this has been quite effective so far. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this tool. So the first thing is you need to download it for your mobile devices, regardless if you're using Apple devices or the Androids. So if you're using the Apple devices, like I'm using here, then you need to go to the App Store. Now inside the App Store, search for Quizlet, which is Quizlet. So you will see this new logo here. Just install it. Now it will take some time for the application to install on your device. Once the application is installed, you can start using it. But before that, you'll have to create an account with Quizlet, which is very simple. What you can do is you have two options here. The first one is you can use the regular way of creating the account, or you can just use your Facebook credentials or Google credentials to create an account. Once you create an account, then you can log into their system. And if you're enrolled to some classes already, then in that case you'll see some flashcards here. Otherwise, you can just go to this search option and you can search for the flashcards, or you can search for the classes you are enrolled to or you want to join by typing on the class. Okay, in this case, since I'm already enrolled in a class, in fact I'm conducting this class, I can just go to the flashcards and start using them. So in this particular case, I'm going to take you to a few flashcard sets that I have created for my students and show you how to use them. So this is one I created for my students to score 79 and above in PTE, where PTE means Pearson's Test of English. So you can see here that there are 4 options for using Quizlet on your device. It's cards, learn, match, or test. Now learn, match, test, they are quite interesting, but I'm not going to discuss about them today. I'll only focus on the cards, which is the most basic and most commonly used tool in Quizlet. So you can see here, so this is the flashcard. This is a digital version of the flashcards we used to use traditionally. So what happens here is if you tap on the card, then it just flips and it shows you the word on the other side. And you can also set it up here, whether you want to start with the term or you want to start with the definitions. Let's say I want to start with the term and I want audio as well. Then I tap here. Then after this, you can see it starts with the word first, and then I can see its definition by tapping on the card. So abbreviate. If I tap on the card,
Shorten,
it will show me.
abridge V. Because we were running out of time, the lecturer had to abbreviate her speech.
Sorry about that. So when I tapped on the card, then it flipped and it showed me the definition on the other side along the examples. Now this is something you can set yourself. You can edit these cards if you have access to editing, or you can just create your own cards. You can also tap on this
Shorten,
button.
abridge V. Because we were running out of time, the lecturer had to abbreviate her speech.
Then the software itself will read out whatever is on the screen, and the speech is not like the robotic voice we hear on the computers. So it's a really great tool. This is just a glimpse of how you can use it.
Abbreviate actually.
Okay, so by the way, that was me explaining to my students about what abbreviate is. You can also record your voice if you are creating your own sets. So overall, Quizlet is a very good tool. If you spend some time with it, you'll find out there are several other ways of practicing the words in Quizlet along with the cards. And you can create your own cards, you can copy the cards from other sites, and there are hundreds of other options. You can also access Quizlet on the web by going to quizlet.com. So this is just a brief video about how to use Quizlet. I'll be uploading some more videos about how you can use technology in learning and how you can improve your learning methods by using digital technologies. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.